Hi everyone, I'm Nikhil, Assistant Professor in Department of Management Studies, E-Content Development Center, Majlis Arts and Science College, Puramannur. I'm here to look at the subject Hospitality Management, the open course for BBA under University of Calicut. Through this session, you are able to understand the different sectors of hospitality industry and its historical development. Also, you are able to get an overview regarding the content of this open course under University of Calicut. Okay, let's start. What is hospitality? Yes, hospitality is the kindness in welcoming guests or strangers. It is the relationship between guest and host. It is the process of being hospitable. It includes the services provided to travelers and tourists like resorts, recreation, lodging, food and beverages, etc. Now, what is hospitality management? Hospitality management refers to the study of hospitality industry. Which are the different sectors of hospitality industry? First one is tourism. Another one is hotel, another one is resort, and the fourth one is event management, and the last one is convention management. Let us see what is tourism. As you know, tourism is the process of attracting, accommodating, and entertaining the tourist, or it is the process of operating a tour. So, tourism includes the process of how to attract and accommodate and entertain the tourist. Above all, tourism is the process of operating a tour. Now, what is hotel? Hotel is an establishment for paid accommodation in short-term basis. Now, what is resorts? What is resorts management? Resorts management includes the overseeing lodging operations and recreational facilities and food and beverages. Now, what is event management? Event management is the creation and development of small and large scale personal or corporate services like ceremonies, wedding, festivals, etc. Now, what is convention management? Convention management includes the coordinating activities like educational expo, athletic expositions, and other entertainment functions. Okay, now we understood which are the sectors of hospitality industry. First one is tourism, another one is hotel, and the third one is resort management and event management and convention management. Now, we have to move to the historical development of hospitality industry. In order to explain the historical development, we have to see three revolutions, that is first revolution, second revolution and third revolution. Let us see what is first revolution. First revolution is the period of hospitality industry between 1961 to 1981. It is considered as the golden age of hospitality industry. It is focused on luxury products and services. Here the marketers concentrated on how to provide luxury products and services in their business for satisfying their consumers. For example, Isadore Sharp in 1961, the founder of Four Seasons Hotels in US, stated the vision as treat guests the best way you wish to be treated. From this example, you can understand the kind of hospitality they were practicing in those days. Okay, now we want to move to the second revolution. The second revolution is the period of hospitality industry between 1981 to 2000. This revolution is based on market segmentation. Now, what is market segmentation? Market segmentation is the process of dividing heterogeneous market into small homogeneous subsegments. Simply, it is a process of grouping consumers based on their tastes and preferences. There are so many bases for explaining market segmentation. The first one is demographic segmentation, second one is geographic segmentation, and the third is psychographic segmentation, and the last one is behavioral segmentation. What is demographic segmentation? Demographic segmentation is a grouping of consumers based on the demographic peculiarities of the buyers. Next one is geographic segmentation is a grouping of buyers based on the geographic peculiarities. But in psychographic segmentation, we are grouping buyers based on the self-concept and psychology of the consumers. Now, the last one is behavioral segmentation. Here, the buyers may be grouped on the basis of behavior and attitude. Through focusing market segmentation, the market is concentrated on customization and customer relationship management. Thus, the second revolution concentrated on market segmentation, and it opened the door for many innovative services through customization and customer relationship management. Third revolution is the present period of hospitality industry. It is based on digital distribution. Digital marketing, e-commerce, m-commerce are the various techniques we are using here. Various digital marketing techniques are search engine marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing. If we are properly concentrating on digital distribution, definitely this industry can become much stronger, especially to get rid of the current crisis of COVID-19. So today we understood about the hospitality, different sectors of hospitality industry and its historical developments. Through this session, you may be understood the functions of hospitality industry. As far as the syllabus of hospitality management is concerned, we have to make a close look on the sectors of hospitality industry. Thank you.